Assalamu alaikum dear parents. I hope you all are fine. Welcome to my YouTube channel Read and Write. I am going to share with you the paper which was taken for the post of Public Health Engineering Department Assistant BS 16 इसका स्केल है और PPSC ने पेपर 2021 में कंडक्ट किया है और मैं आपके साथ इसके कंप्लीट 100 MCQs जो है वो शेयर करूँगी, यानी कि आपको कहीं भी इसके पार्ट्स के लिए इधर उधर घूमना नहीं पड़ेगा. सिर्फ आप एक लिंक पे क्लिक करें एंड यू कैन फाइंड ऑल द क्वेश्चंस विद देयर आंसर्स. सो लेट्स टेक अ स्टार्ट. बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम. लेट्स सी द फर्स्ट वन. PFA, Punjab Food Authority, was founded in 2011. Kerry Lugar Bill authorized non-military aid to Pakistan for a period of 2010 to 12. The material used in blood clotting is made up protein. How many countries participated in Amman naval exercise in 2021 with their warships, aircrafts and special operation forces in Pakistan? यानी ये अमन नेवल एक्सरसाइज थी और इसमें कितनी जो है वो कंट्रीज ने पार्टिसिपेट किया था. सो इसका आंसर है 45. Which country introduced equal payment to men and women? UAE. Which country developed the world's first coronavirus vaccine for animals? Russia. Most common element to all perfumes is ethyl alcohol. Pakistan was inevitable. A book was written by Syed Hassan Riaz. Pakistan, A Personal History, a famous book, was written by Imran Khan. Wall Street is located in New York. Geneva is a famous city of Switzerland. Chashma Canal links Indus River with Jhelum. Corona vaccine is an inactivated virus. COVID-19 vaccine was developed by China. The annulment of partition of Bengal took place in 1911. Which of the following rays are more penetrating? Answer है gamma. In which city COP26 is scheduled to? Answer है Scotland. Isotopes of an element have the same number of protons. 2021 Asian Volleyball Tournament will be held in Japan. Current Secretary General of OIC 3. So the answer is Dr. Yusuf Al Uthaymin. Paris is situated on bank of river Seine. A referendum on allowing Pervez Musharraf to continue as president for 5 years was held in Pakistan on 30th April 2002. The first process in a petroleum refinery is known as distillation. इसमें इसको define करते हैं. Who was the last Prime Minister of United Punjab? Hizar Tiwana. The most populous city of the world is Tokyo. Working with Zia, book wrote by Khalid Mahmood Arif. Rakaposhi is located in which mountain range? Karakoram. Justice Noor Muhammad Miskanzai is the Chief Justice of Federal Shariat Court. The Kandugat gas field is located in Kashmir, Sindh. Which acid is used in fermentation process of food? Lactic acid. The work of the International Committee of the Red Cross यानी ICRC has been honored by a Nobel Peace Prize. How many times? तो वो है thrice यानी कि 3 बार. Coronavirus initiated in which city of China? Wuhan. It's an important question. Who invented hydrogen bomb? Edward Teller. This is also an informative and important question. Currently the head of International Atomic Energy Agency. तो वो है Rafael Mariano Grossi. Ahmad Shah Durrani invaded in India against Mughals. When Tipu Sultan died, 1799. First census held in Pakistan in 1951. Who is the leader of Hurriyat Conference? तो है मीर व्यास उमर फारूक. Hanjra Pass connects which two countries? Pakistan and China. It's an important question and mostly it is asked. What was the purpose of East India Company in subcontinent? तो आंसर है इसका trade. Last leap year was 2020. Leap year I hope you all know which can be divided on 4 और ये 4 साल बाद आता है. अच्छा जी, नेक्स्ट है हमारे पास हु इज़ द फॉरेन मिनिस्टर ऑफ रशिया. तो ये है सर्गे लेवरोव. The All Parties Conference was a group of Indian political parties in 1928 headed by Pandit Motilal Nehru. Adam Smith is related to economics. Rohri is a city located in district Sakhar Sindh. Amount of water vapor in air is regarded as humidity. Nami basically. Distance between planet and star is measured in light year. When did Pakistan withdraw from the SEATO? So its answer is 1973. Which desert is called cold desert? तो इसका आंसर है गोबी. The current chief minister of Gilgit-Baltistan is Khalid Khurshid. The currency of Indonesia is rupiah. Homeostasis is a process to prevent and stop bleeding is made up of starch. Pakistan is located in which continent? Asia. Which city is the most densely populated city in the world? Dhaka. Okay, keep this in mind. ये ढाका city की बात की गई है. Country तो we all know it's China. Okay जी, next from English. We have had so much trouble that he parked the car in garage. He is overwhelmed by grief. Use of preposition है. His behavior was unprofessional enough that terminated immediately. He has resigned from job and has finished the task. Choose the correct one. This news is good to be true. The antonym of docile is unyielding. To cry wolf means to give false alarms. Idiom scratch someone's back means. Idiom हमारे पास scratch someone's back means. तो यह give someone a favor. The synonym of moribund is dying. Choose the correct one. This is a perfect. He parted from his parents in tears. Parted from छोड़ के जाना. Use of preposition था. And again there are series of questions. Use of preposition है. He is blind in one eye. Preposition है blind in. His health is breaking out. Justice delayed is justice denied. Justice is یعنی کہ جسٹس اس میں کیا ہے, تو you can easily tell کہ it's a noun, کیونکہ you can see the first میں beginning میں بھی اگر ہم اس جسٹس کو کنسیڈر کریں یا سیکنڈ میں بھی تو یہ noun ہی ہے. Okay, next maths portion ہے. So let's see the equation. If A ratio B is equal to 2 ratio 3 and B ratio C is equal to 4 ratio 5, then A, B, C is what? تو یہ آنسر ہے اس کا. If you are good enough in maths, so you can find out the answer. Okay جی. The angle of depression of S point situated at a distance of 70 meter from the base of the tower is 60 degree. The height of tower is, so it's given below, 703 meter. Okay, again it's an equation and answer is in front of you. You can find out, آپ لکھ کے ان کو solve کر کے check کر لیں if you are good in maths. Again it's an equation and answer is in front of you. The angle of elevation of a ladder leaning against a wall is 60 degree and the foot of the ladder is 4.5 meter away from the wall. The length of the ladder is 9.2. The angle of elevation of sun when the length of shadow of tree is equal to height of tree, so it's 45 degree. Given that, again it's a equation, you can find out the answer. See them clearly, paper pe write down kare and then try to solve these ones اور پھر اپنا question جو ہے وہ answer جو ہے اس کے ساتھ match کرے. Again do it on your own, find out the answer. See the next one and find out the answer. Okay ji. In how many ways a president, vice president and a water boy can be selected from a group of 10 people? تو یہ آپ کے سامنے ہے اس کا آنسر. جو لوگ سمجھتے ہیں میتھس کو, اس کے پارٹس کو, اس کی ڈفرینٹ ٹیکنالوجیز کو, they can do it easily. چلے جی. BIOS stands for what? تو یہ ہے بیسک انپٹ آؤٹ پٹ سسٹم. ٹھیک ہے جی. LCD stands for liquid crystal display. Which function in Excel returns a reminder of division? So it's MOD, mode. Which template provides design, concept, fonts and color scheme? تو یہ ہے design template. آگے آگے جو میرے پاس اردو کا حصہ. ہر کل روم کو آپ سے وسلم کا ہاتھ کو ہر کل روم کو آپ وسلم کا ہاتھ کون دینے گئے؟ تو نام ہے حضرت وحیہ قلبی. آپ وسلم کی ولادت کس کے گھر میں ہوئی؟ حضرت ابو طالب رضی اللہ تعالیٰ عنہ. ولید بن عتبہ کو غزوہ بدر میں کس نے قتل کیا؟ تو حضرت علی رضی اللہ تعالیٰ عنہ نے. اسلام کے پہلے علمبردار صحابی کا نام بتائیں. وہ ہے حضرت حمزہ رضی اللہ تعالیٰ عنہ. آیت کریمہ ہے کہ عدل کا دامن نہ چھوڑو خواہ تمہارا قریبی سے در کیوں ہی کیوں نہ ہو. اچھا جی. کس صحابی کے دور میں قرآن کو کتاب کی شکل دی گئی؟ تو وہ ہے حضرت ابو بکر صدیق رضی اللہ تعالیٰ عنہ. امپورٹنٹ کویسچن ہے, اس کو بھی میمورائز کریں. کس غزوہ کے بعد آپ صلی اللہ علیہ وسلم نے الاسد نام کے گھر میں 3 دن قیام کیا؟ تو غزوہ احد ہے. حضرت علی رضی اللہ عنہ کی والدہ کا نام بتائیے. تو وہ ہیں فاطمہ بنت اسد. اور مرزا غالب کے اردو ایوان کی کتنی جلدیں ہیں؟ تو وہ ہے 1. تیل دیکھو تیل کی دھار دیکھو. اداس نسلیں کس کا ناول ہے؟ عبداللہ حسین کا. آزاد نظم کا پانی کسے کہا جاتا ہے؟ نون میم ناشد. آخری شب کا ہمسفر کس کا ناول ہے؟ قرۃ العین حیدر کا. یہ شعر کس کا ہے؟ تم میرے پاس ہوتے ہو گویا جب کوئی دوسرا نہیں ہوتا. تو یہ ہے مومن ہاں مومن کا. اردو میں تریحی اشارے کے لیے کون سی اسرا استعمال ہوتی ہے؟ وہ ہے تلمیح. بانگی درہ کتنے ادوار پر مشتمل ہے؟ 3. امراؤ جہاں ادا کس کا ناول ہے؟ ہادی سودا. رسالہ فنون کس کی ادارت میں شائع ہوا؟ احمد ندیم قاسمی. So it was all for today. I hope you will like my video and don't forget to subscribe and like my channel. You read and write. Okay friends, it was all for today. I hope it will prove fruitful for you. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.